Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. Today I wanted to make a quick video about a community 3D printing project that Adam Savage, you know, the guy from Mythbusters and the Tested YouTube channel, that he needs our help with. So at the beginning of June, they're having the very first NOMCon, Nation of Makers convention. And at NOMCon, they're hoping to unveil a giant 6-foot tall statue of Rosie the Riveter. But it's not going to be one single giant statue. Instead, it's going to be consisting of over 2,600 individually 3D printed parts, all assembled together to make that statue. And what they want is, they want anyone that has access to a 3D printer to go to wethebuilders.com and claim a part of the statue to print. Now they're doing this to celebrate women and non-binary makers, so they're asking that all of the pieces be printed in a flesh tone or skin colored kind of filament. So go ahead and pick up, if you have any black or brown or other kind of skin tone like filaments, pick some up and go to wethebuilders.com to claim a part. And you'll print the parts. They're all really small. They're, about 75 millimeters cubed. So they're really small. They can fit on most 3D printers. And you print the part, prints really quick, between 1 and 2 hours for most of them. And you'll take it and you'll ship it out to them. And they'll capture all of these parts together and make an amazing statue. So again, all of the links are down below. Feel free to go there, check it out. We'll be having community events. I'm getting my local makerspace together and we're having a 3D print-a-thon to try to print a bunch of these parts. Because right now they're asking the parts to be shipped by May 20th in order for them to all arrive in time for the convention. So there's only a week or two left to actually pick apart and print it. So that's why I wanted to make this quick video, and I hope that you can help out with this project because I think it is awesome and I can't wait to see what the final statue looks like. So check it all out down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time.